Today's video I will explain how we can use AWS EBS storage volume as a Kubernetes persistence volume. And before Kubernetes 1.22 version, we don't have to do these steps, but after 1.22 version, we have add some following commands to run the AWS storage in our Kubernetes clusters. So before showing the demo, we have some prerequisites, which is like we already have to install our EKS cluster. So you can see here we have already installed EKS cluster. So if you want to see, so eksctl get nodes. So here is 2 nodes running in our cluster. So we have to already install the EKS cluster, and we want to make sure we have already installed eksctl. So make sure we need to like run the command eksctl version. So we can see eksctl version is running. So now I will do some command to run the Kubernetes cluster to using AWS EBS volume. So before first I run this command, then this command, and this all command I will put in my video description. So these 3 commands we need to put to using AWS EBS volume as a persistence storage in Kubernetes. If we don't use this command now after 1.22 version, we are not able to use AWS EBS volume as a persistence storage. Okay, and like we can see like this version is like 1.27. Okay, this is 1.27 version. So after 1.22 version, we have to do this step. So here I create 3 files to show the demo. So here is like EBS SC. So if I see EBS C, this is just create a storage class. So API version storage.kh.io.v1, then kind. We are creating the storage class. That's why we need to put storage class. Then metadata, we give the name of the storage class is EBS/SC. Then provisioner is EBS CSI AWS.com, right? For consumer, and real-time policy is deleted. We need to do the things to create a EBS SC cluster. So now we need to see the EBS PVC volume. So get EBS PVC. So this file will create a PVC. So API version is v1, then kind is PersistentVolumeClaim. Metadata, we give the file persistent name is EBS/PVC. Then access mode is read at once, and storage class is EBS SC. So we are using this EBS SC from this persistence volume, and our size is 1G. So let me apply this file that will create 1 storage class and 1 PVC. So our SC is created. So now our PVC also created. Let me check. So eksctl get SC. You can see our EBS SC is created. Now if I see PVC, so PVC also created, and it's showing pending because we are not running any pod in the clusters. When we run the any pod in the cluster, then it's showing us using. Okay, so let me run the pod, and before run, let me show the pod file. So get EBS. So this is a simple pod creation file. So the version is v1, kind is pod. We give the name of the pod is EBS demo. Then container specification, give the container name is app image busybox. Just put a command sleep 3600 seconds, and volume mount, we are mounting this volume. EBS volume is /data. So our data, what we put, that will be stored in /data, and we are using claim name is EBS PVC, which we just created before. Okay, so let me run the file. Ctl line so port is created. Let me check kubectl get port. So it is going to create it. We need to wait 2 or 3 seconds. So it's running now. Let me get inside the pod. So kubectl eksctl-it, pod name is EBS team. So we are inside in the pod. So if I type ls, you can see there is a folder in data. So all data will be stored in this point. So let me create a file like echo hello 123. We put the file in data, then h.txt. Let me check the file cat/data h. You can see hello 123. So let me exit from the pod and delete the pod. So kubectl kubectl delete pod. The pod name is EBS. So it is going to delete the pod. Let me go to the AWS console and just show one thing. So here is our cluster which already we created by eksctl. So in the volume section we can see there is a volume is created 1 GB which we created by a command line. So this volume we are using as a persistent volume in Kubernetes. And these other things are like these are the like I use one EC2. From this EC2 I running the EKS cluster. These are the node. So this pod is deleted. So now let me create the pod again. kubectl apply -f EBS and pod. So kubectl get. So it's going to create. So it's running. So kubectl so we are inside the pod. So let me check the file. So cat data.h.txt. So you can see our file is there. So like this way we can easily use AWS EBS volume in Kubernetes storage class as a persistent volumes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get notified when I upload the next video.